Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Canon PIXMA G5020 printer drivers for your Windows 11 computer. So this will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, doesn't matter to me, but we're going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And I'm going to search for Canon printer drivers. So go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be from a Canon domain here. So go ahead and open that up. And either search for it in this field, or you can go ahead and just select printers, and then select PIXMA. And then you can go and select where it says 5020. So go ahead and left click on that. And you'll select the full driver and software package for Windows, and select the select button, and then select the red download option. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And you're going to go ahead and select start setup. Select next. And you want to agree to the end user license terms and select yes. And you want to select agree or do not agree. You don't have to agree to the services here. So if you don't want it to be shared via the cloud link, you can keep it disabled, but if you need to use the internet cloud link, you'll have to keep it enabled here. So just keep that in mind. And then you'll select your connection method here and then follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.